Every week, dial *144*8# to recharge your MTN account with 10 Rand airtime or more to stand a chance to win a share of prizes worth up to the value of 8 million Rand. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Welcome to Amavenz on the TV. It's the MTN semi-finals. Stellenbosch 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 0. I'm joined by the one, the only, Bo.
Sibo.
Very.
All right. Yeah, ungasabi ukuyisho ukuthi aggregate score is 2-0 Stellenbosch win.
Aggregate score is 2-0 Stellenbosch straight win.
Yeah, angisho be we first and second. Yeah, right.
Mana skisi bobo. Kodwa kamba, uyibone kanjani?
No, I'll tell me ngiyahlekisa uyabona?
Yes.
Yeah, into engakutshela yona ukuthi isikhathi esiright sokuthi kumele wazi ukuthi ama support eSundowns iwapi, you understand?
Yes.
Uma ngabe bovakashile because iSundowns iyazi iwina. Sizokubona manje way uphenika ngakhona.
You'll be exposed.
Angiboni kunesidingo sokuthi ama support eSundowns kumele aphenike.
Exactly.
Ukangitshela ngama loser u2 weStellenbosch ukuthi kumele uphenike.
Yes.
Stellenbosch is a very good side. You understand? So into engayisho mina ukubongisa iStellenbosch ukuthi serisha ifinal ngibongise neOrlando Pirates prior.
Yeah.
Stellenbosch is a very good side. Angeke uthathe nix kuStellenbosch. If uma ungabheka the game plan eStellenbosch beze banalento ukuthi they leading 1-0 down. There's no need ukuthi bangafika mhlambe bafuna ukuthi ba press iSundowns ngalendlela. Bafuna ukubamba ngawo lama counter attack. Ngikhala ngisho ngithi mina it's difficult, yes, ukunganika iStellenbosch space behind the defense, but kubalekile ukuthi uzame ngawonke amandla ukuthi ungayinikezi leso space iStellenbosch because banabadlali aba quick. Transition badlali beStellenbosch they're very quick bram. Angifuna ukutshela mangabatshela abanye ngithi ukusayina kwakamtshela ungathi ukurelease komdlalo ofana no umdlalo sayine iSundowns Rainers abenzanga nix ngabatshela ngathi sisaseyingozi iStellenbosch because the very same Mujela le pace anayo abo Titans Brian bazokhupha. So asingene outtime egamini ngifuna ukutshela mina iSundowns today first half I think they played very well for me na.
Yes.
The approach be right ngibonile iSundowns beyilinoki ball outtime, but the problem ukufika ku final third ngibona bomkweni abo Allende bebalifuna balfuna phakathi nendawo. It's whereby you can break your opponent. Angeke uyibreak ngama winger because ama winger uma K line siding safuna usanomsebenzi uyekhoneni kusafuna udeliver cross, you understand? So ukufuna ukuthi ba break in the middle and ngibonile ukuthi abadlali abafana nabo Jaba nabo umdlalo ofana noNduli badonse kanzima first half. Let us be honest, umuntu ebengimbona ngathi ukhona kuStellenbosch yilentwana uDiong nale out mina esidini lami noma ungangibuzanga ngizonikezwa ni man of the match uTore the center back.
Yes.
That guy, chase number 45. He played very well, that guy. Angifuna ukutshela manga. Ukhona ukudila ngama areas ball, ukhona ukudila ngama one-on-one situation. Mawungabheka kunamabhola amaningi. Mangabe le game esibukela igame e1, angazi mhlawumbe mangabe nawe bobukela le game ubheke somewhere.
Yes.
But uTore for me he played very well. So Sundowns I give credit in the first half out time. We played very well in the corner, final third. Azange scripted lawo ma clear chances esiwadinga, but isikhonile ukuthi si control igame njengoba abanye skala ngokuthi sifuna ukunokha ibhola. Siyalinokha ibhola outtime, you can't take anything bram umdlalo ofana no Ribeiro outtime le out star outtime. uRibeiro bengilomunye ngimbona ukuthi man of the match bengamkhaya. Ubheka uAllende outtime. Abomkweni they played very well outtime ku first half. The defense eMamelodi Sundowns abolubusa first half badlale kahle. Iqala ukumosheka second half ngifuna ukukutshela. Second half I think ucoach Stellenbosch uhlanganiphile.
Ngani?
Bheka ukulimala kwakaMashego. Mina ngibe worried kancane. uMashego akusumuntu engithi mhlawumbe kwamanye ama game udlale kahle, but today uMashego bekenze into angazi abanye abantu bebayibona. Beyakhona ukustretcha i-defense, i-center back yeStellenbosch. La khona bomshishi yilabe bakhona ukuthola lawo ma-pockets. Because bekathi uma athatha i-run aya wide, lento esijwayele. Umkwena beka switch play. Sometimes I'll receive a diagonal, alahle ngapha athatha i-run. Demo athatha i-run, khumbule ukuthi umdlalo owe-right back ofana ubani umloyisana ubani. Kumele stretch abuye. Kuyovuleka ispace kule two center back. Ila khona sikhona ukudlala abo Lucas nabomshishi bakhona ukudlala bafike ku direct kuSalisi, you understand? So nami okunye futhi engakusho lapha kuSalisi ngibona abocoach abazange babe fair. Sometimes kumele bamprotect outtime. uSalisi akusumuntu kwamanje ajwayele the way i direct PSL idlala ngakhona. Sometimes umdlalisi Sile, it's fine ngiyavuma, but the second half yabona yastrugglisha 70 minutes, take him out and protect, because at the end of the day abantu abafana nabo bobo abangal understand idisk bayicala babangela usalisa umsindo ukuthi no akenzi kahle, but yeah understand the pressure. Mina bengibona ngathi bekumele bamdonse balethe ushasha sibone ukuthi ushasha yena usiphatheleni, you understand, but angiphoyitha ama fingers out time, angiphoyitha ama fingers ngendlela ngibona ngakhona, everyone mina opinion yakhe ngiya respect. Uma ngabe umuntu ubona something nami I don't have a problem with that ngendlela mina ngibona ngakhona. So second half out time Stellenbosch siye sahlanganipha, ngifuna ukutshela manga bheka le bhola basibambe ngayo out time, kunama counter ongaka basibambe ngawo, kunala sibe khona nenhlanhla thina sibe nenhlanhla, ngifuna ukutshela manga whereby now bawatholile ama 1-on-1 ba Mr good give credit ku goalkeeper uFebruary, but ngisakutshela namanje uRonza uma abuya ku injury, uma ngabe ku injury njengoba ngaza ku injury ngi-understand, angisho ku injury uma abuya uRonza mina ngibona abiyele epalini ngiyamtinga, ithi ngitshela angisho ukuthi uFebruary akenzi kahle, wenzile ama save out time, wenzile ama save, but bheka lento lekha ngayo uFebruary manga ngamabhola wakhahlelile uFebruary awanikeza uSalisi uyi1 second ball ba contest, ama ba contest the second ball ithola ubani Stelis babuya futhi abotore banabo basadi, we understand. So sidinga uRonza khona ukudlala nobani noKekani nolubusa noMudawu nayo uMdiba uma akhona ku left back. Why mele ukhahlela out time?
I don't understand.
Mina ngikwazi, okay, sometimes I go under pressure, yes more under pressure, just kick the ball away, safety first, but if kunabantu la out time asilale njengoRonza sifuna ukubreaka labantu in the middle siba minus sikhona ukuthi sifike ku final third create lawo ma clear chances, you understand. So mina ngibona uRonza azobuya out time kuleya position, angifuni ukutshela manga uyu umuntu engishoda ngayo, so far ngishoda ngoRonza mina lapha ku Dayden ku line up, angifuni ukutshela manga abantu bangathi mhlawumbe angikhulumi kahle for uFebruary, but sengiyakutshela mina ngiyamdinga uRonza kumamilo Sundowns. 3-in-1 out time. He's a distributor, he's a sweeper, he's a goalkeeper. So udingani, we understand. February ngilento ngitshela we abakhahlela amabhola always areas ball. Phela nathi bayigcina bathi sizidlala ihamba to breeze formation. We understand. Yeah, akumelanga our central midfield. Akumelanga our central midfield. Baloko babheka ibhola ngathi babheka aeroplane yadlula. Baloko babhizi, you understand? No. Demand the ball. We are sifuna la. Demand the ball that uthatha ibhola sidlala, you understand? So mina angifuna ukutshela manga Stelis isebenzise lokho ebesinako, they know ukuthi baguti nge-counter attack, bawasebenzisile ama-counter attack wakhe. Give credit kubo Mutshela na second half, but they played very well. Abo Mutshela nabadlali abafana nabo abo Diong na first half bekuyi umdlali bengimbona. Bheka abo Titus bebastrugglisha kancane out time. That is why ngithi mina uMashego bekenza ngcono ngalesa sikhathi ngale first 20 minutes. Unfortunately watholi injury. Kuyenzakalani bekangadlali bekanga underlap, beka overlap always. So uObri wenzani we overlap sometimes ya underlap. Why? Mina out time ngitshela sometimes ngiyathatha risk mina. Mina umuntu ofana Nomrena ngidlala neStelis, I can play him as a left back. Uma ngiceda ka overlap uya underlap ulinde lama runs une pace angeke bamshiye, you understand. So immediately bhola kulethu uyabuya uzophika ku center back sikhuphuka ngomdawu, sinama defender out 3 angisho, then it's either mhlambe a center back 1 yiyo engaphusha kancane bese sisala ngama center back out 3 lapha emove. Then uma silose ibhola uzostretch angeke bomtshela bamshiye, I know. So awunabo badlala bane pace, why ungayithathi le out efana noMrena noma bangathi ubeka boMdiba or ubeke uMashego ngaphandle usebenzisa uMrena, angisho yazi ukuthi Stellenbosch sikhuti kuphi, kumele udile ngiya opponent ukuthi strength opponent sikuphi, then udile ngazo. Bheka bahlala basibamba njalo, ngihlala ngikhuluma Jam ungasinikeze Stellenbosch space behind the defense. Uyangizwa namanje ngiyasho ngithi mina ngiyezwa abanye bathi okay iPirates nayo izobamba nzima, angeke kube lula. Why iPirates abondaba bakhuphuki nje bahlezi banosesana. We understand, yes une pace, but space angeke babanikeze la ngemuva. Mina the way ngibona ngakhona iPirates angeke banikeze space ukuthi bathathe lawo ma space ma run bazowathola, you understand. So but mina uthami all the best ku Stelis ne Orlando Pirates, ngibafisela izoba mnandi le final uthami, izoba mnandi le final. Mina ngasho before bayenza i ngitoss ukuthi Stelis angisifuni bengaza uthami, ngikhulumile uthami umuntu mangabe ngikhulumile ngathi angisithandi Stelis. Why?
Because of this
sine problem sometimes amazidlala neStelis. So but sizobona ifinal emnandi awuthanda.
Man of the
match ngayinikeza uJersey number 45 uThore we Dayden. weStelis uma ngabe benganikeza yena benganikeza umdlali ofana noLucas. He played very well uLucas Awuthami. Angifuni ukutshela manje he played very well. Yilento bengitshela ngithi asikhona ukuthatha ama shot on target. Sistruggle kuma shot on target. Bheka manje lokhu uMudiba noRibeiro bebasatha ama shot on target. Ila khona besikubona ukuthi ugoalkeeper phela first half ugoalkeeper lo muntu bekasemngoli bekalela ngamole na sport. Bekazokhela because asishuthe epalini sifuna ukuthasha inet, you understand? But kumele sometimes lento one of my friend uLindo useke sayikhuluma. Why singakori outside the box? Why kumele score esiphakathi eboxini? Hey, ascoring outside the box asithatheni. We understand. No, bekadlala deep. If umnakile uMkwena bekadlala deep, uAlendo bekaphambi kwaMkwena. That is why if udlala nge-double pivot ukuthi uzo overlap ngala ma-wing. Already uMkwena uzobuya deep. Azowenzani? Azoprotect le defense. Because if uMkwena bangambitha lapho, uPaulina Stellenbosch masithola le penalty le. uMkwena huyu umuntu aluze le ball lapha. And bekune gap emva kwakhe. They had ukuthi benzani? Bahambe bayithola le penalty Awuthami. So all the best Awuthami kula macembu awu2.
Uzowinani?
Mina ngesifiso sami ngifuna ukutshela iqiniso. Ngesifiso sami.
What's your wish?
Ngifuna ukutshela.
What's your wish?
Ezinye izinto uyayifisa but ingeke yenzeke. Phela kusho ukuthi mawufisa kusho ukuthi lento izawenzeka. Mina
What's your wish?
ngifisa kwangathi iStellenbosch ungizwe kahle. Ngicela ufake ama-cottonwool, ukhipha ama-cottonwool la, ufake ama-earbud. Ngifisa kwangathi ngawina iStellenbosch. But unfortunately hangiboni sizoyiwina leya game. But ngifisa ukuthi iStellenbosch siyiwine leya game because abomzala nabo manje angifuni ba break la ma record 3 ama trophy i-trophy 1 ka 3 kumele iqale ibroke yithi yabona la 2023 lenyembezi leskipa besimanzi lesi la Awuthami yila khona ngacedwa khona la ngama penalty kuyo le game so namanje bheka neCeltic yangidla ngegoli elingekho la kuTelkom yathatha iTelkom la you understand nasembombela ngibiya kuyokhala ngikhaliswa iVets nge3-0 kuyo lethu lela you understand so ibhadi Awuthami so all the best
Before Bobo, yes or no? Are you happy with Steve and Manqoba?
I'm happy Awuthami. Let's give them a chance.
You can't let him go. Photos. Is he happy with photos?
Yes. Listen. I'm going to answer all the questions. I'm going to answer all the questions. I'm happy with everyone. Awuthami, namanje ngisasho. Ama Sundown supporters singa press panic button. Guys, this is a pre-season tournament. So one it's a pre-season tournament. Guys, I'm telling you, wait. I will give you a chance. I will give him a chance. Lalela. Mina, guys, I'm sure abangizwe kahle. Mamela Awuthami. Mina ngikhuluma ngeSundowns. iSundowns idlalela ama-trophy awu7. A1 iphumile ngisho. Thina kwaSundowns this is a pre-season tournament. Thina ungi-understand kuSundowns. Sisafuna ukudlalela iKhaling. Sidlalela iNetbank. Sidlalela iLeague. Sidlalela iAFL. Sidlalela iClub World Cup. Angazi mangabe khona sidlalela iCAF. So awu6 esele ngawo ya7 ile state ukuphuma kiyo. So mina uma ngithi this is a pre-season ukuthi icala yona ethi seyiphelile 14. Ngikhulumela kwaSundowns. Laba angeke ba-understand lento.
I gave him a chance. Is he happy with the involvement of Fleminberg?
I'm happy with everyone. Angazi lesingisi angisikhulumi kahle. I'm happy with everyone. Even nama supporter weSundowns. Noma ngabe ngibani. KwaSundowns Awuthami sisikhathi sokupointa ama fingers. Isikhathi sokuthi ubonakala ukuthi we are a Sundowns support. Uma ngabe uvakashile ngoba bomzala bebadliwa. Buyele ekhaya.
Go back home.
Buyele ekhaya because choda useSundowns wena. Why kumele uzopointa ama fingers? Nini nizositshela ukuthi lo coach akasirado. Are you a coach? Hambe your coach again. Uma ngabe una license your coach. Hambe your coach again. Awuthami ngiyabonga.
Thank you, Bobo.